Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle. I'm going to be doing some lip swatch today, and I'm sorry if you don't like this angle. I'm losing sunlight, so I kind of had to come near the window, so I have placed my camera with in a different angle. So let me show you what I got recently from Colourpop. If you would have seen my other video, I shared like eyeshadows and all that stuff I'd got, and I wanted to do this as a separate video because I wanted to swatch them on my lips. So this is what I had got. I'd got a set, a Colourpop set of Lippie Stix, and this is like a new formula. I think like new formula in the sense it says it's like the matte X formula. And I have some matte Lippie Stix that I had got before. Now I'm not sure if both are matte here. Yes, both are matte. So I had these are, I'll show you some that I have from before. So this one, so because they have I think different formulas like matte, ultra matte, and this is like the matte X. And I don't know if it is ultra matte X or just matte X. Okay, anyway, this is a set which is called the Wildest Dream, and I did get it on sale. I just don't remember how much sale I got, but I got this, and this I think it was one with one 50% or one with one free. So I got two more Lippie Stix, separate ones, and then so these are like different colors. So this one is, as I said, it's a mini Lippie Stix collection, Wildest Dream, and it has all like really nice popular colors. It has Love Life, Trust Me, Goldie, Bichette, and Chateau. So that many colors, so 5 of them. And I thought this was really good deal, actually 5. And I did try them on, and I do like them. And then the other 2 separate Lippie Stix that I got are in, what are they called? So these are the Matte X formula, and they are Capiche and Ziggy. So I got Capiche and Ziggy. Those are the 2 names of these lippies. So I'm going to be swatching them one by one, and let me show you what I had before. Now these formula I do love. I love this one and this one. I think they're same formula. Now previously I had got these 2 Lippie Stix, these white ones that you see, and these are the matte ones, and these are nice. They're okay, but like they are matte, but when you put them on they kind of have like a shine to them. So they are kind of moisturizing, but somehow they also dry my lips a lot, like after a while, which probably that will also do, I don't know, I'm not sure. But these ones don't look matte, even though they are matte. They have that little bit of the sheen to it. But these ones, what I've seen, have more of that silicone kind of structure, like texture. Like when you put them on, they glide on like really smooth and very pigmented, which kind of sometimes I don't like because I feel like it'll spread everywhere. But I have tried these and I don't see any like bleeding or anything with these, so I did like them. So these 2, the ones I had from before, matte ones, are the Lumiere. One is the Lumiere, again, yeah, the Kathleen Lights collab Lumiere, and then this one was the Heart On. So I'll swatch these also if I get enough time. And then I also have the Colourpop's 2 liquid lipsticks, which I don't think I'm going to swatch here. I had already swatched this in one of the video long back. Again, it's the Lumiere, the liquid lipstick Lumiere. I think it's called Lumiere2 because I think that came first, and then this one. So this is the Lumiere2 liquid lipstick, and then this one is the Lychee. And these are, oh my god, so drying. So I've really not used them at all. Like Couple of times I've used long back, but I've not used that after that, so they're just sitting there. But sometimes I use them to mix it. I mix them with other liquid lipstick and like make different color and use them. So I'm not going to swatch these two, but all the Lippie Stix I'm going to swatch. So let's start off with this one here. And this is how the package is. It's really cute. And then you have like, it comes out like that, like color pencils. It really looks like a color pencil box with all the 5 here. So I think I'm going to just start swatching them one by one. So guys, so from this collection, the first one is the Love Life. And this is like a orangey color, kind of like a orangey red color. And I love this. So let me show how it looks. It just looks like the normal matte ones if you have them. The packaging is kind of like that. But white, and then you'll have the color here and here. It shows the color, but it's usually not really, it does not really match exactly to the color in the tube though. So this is how it looks, and then it's like, yeah, like a retractable one like that. So that is Love Life, and then I'm going to swatch it and show it for you guys. And as you can see, the application is really smooth. I'm just going to show application on one of the lipsticks here, and it's really smooth. So that's Love Life. Like, it's like an orangey red, like a bright red. So it's nice. I love this color. And yeah, you're actually seeing the true color because I'm just using sunlight here, so there's no like other lights here. The second color in the collection, guys, is Trust Me, and it is like little more deeper red. And this is also, I feel like it's also a orangey red, but it's kind of a little more deeper, and that's what I already have. So that is Trust Me. I love this color. So the third in the collection, guys, is this color. This is like a brick red color. Very little bit darker, like a maroon. And it's called, what's it called? Goldie. And this is also a nice, pretty color. I like all the colors. Don't mind my swatches. I'm trying to do it fast so I don't lose like complete, you know, sunlight here. The next one is Bichette, and it's kind of a dark red, because the other one was kind of a little more brick color, but this is more like a little bit of that cherry red color. You can see more like the cherry red in it. So this is Bichette. The last one in this collection is the Chateau, and this is really dark. It's like a dark plum color. So that is Chateau. So that ends like the mini collection. Now from the other two single ones that I had got, I'm going to swatch the first one, that is the Capiche, which is like a lighter color. No, I'm going to actually do Ziggy. And Ziggy is like, and these are like normal size, and these are like, they look inside, they look the same as the other matte ones that I have, like the old matte ones. But these are the Matte X, and this one is Ziggy. So the first one in this singles is the Ziggy, and this is like a burnt orange kind of color, and I really love this color. I think my favorite among all this is this. And like the Goldie I showed you is a little bit darker than this, but this is just perfect, like that burnt orangey and then brown in it. So I really love this color. This is my favorite, and this is Ziggy. And the last single, guys, this one is the Capiche, and this is kind of, I already have it on my lips now, and it's kind of like a everyday kind of brown, mauve brown color, and I really love this one. It's like a really nice everyday color, like a darker nude. So that's Capiche, and I love it. This one and the Ziggy are my favorite. So that's it for the singles. Now guys, the other two, I think I'm completely losing the sunlight, but I'm going to show these colors anyway. And this one is like the Lumiere, and as you can see, it is like a very nudie color, but I love it. It's mauve nude, but very light, lighter nude. That's Lumiere. This is with the Colourpop, with Kathleen Light's collection. Collab that they had done this color. So this is her color, and it's a nice nude color, but yeah, much lighter. So it looks exactly like her liquid lipstick. Last one, guys, is the Heart On, and this is kind of like on me it is exactly like the MAC's Flat Out Fabulous, but it has like a what did they say, like a sheen to it, not like it doesn't look matte. And when you do this, the matte ones are like more like they pull, but the Matte X ones, the new ones, they are like really good. They go on very smooth. So that's all, guys, for today's haul. It's completely dark right now, so I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope at least the new ones, the swatches were all like you were able to see the swatches really good. So thank you so much for watching. I on the light right now, but with this light you would not really see the true color, and that's why I've not on it before. But I think all the Lippie Stix you would have seen kind of the true color till now. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video, and hope you liked this video. Please click the like button if you like it, and subscribe to my channel, and much more coming up. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.